Hey DIY decorators! I am obsessed with living chandeliers, but honestly, they seem like a lot of work for something that's going to die in a couple of days. Well, today on Make Your Mark, I am making a faux living chandelier that will look fresh as spring all year long. And you can always put a few fresh flowers in the structure if you want. I'm putting the whole thing together with my Surebonder glue gun because, honestly, that's just the best way to do it. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a living chandelier. You can grab this 1/2-inch galvanized mesh screen at almost any hardware store. It's often used for gutter guards and gardens, and it's not expensive. And it's perfect for all of your DIY lamp projects. You can also weave the stems into the wire mesh base, but don't skip the gluing. You want to make sure that everything is secure. I'm using 2 Surebonder glue guns to make this project go just a little bit faster. To be 100% safe, you'll want to use an eco-friendly cool bulb with all of your DIY lamp projects. They don't give off any heat and they come in a range from warm yellow light to cool blue light, and they're a perfect solution for anyone who is worried about flammability. Add a living element to your chandelier by mixing in some real flowers and branches from your yard. Just trim the stem and poke them through the mesh base. I promise it will look amazing. I'm going to leave a link to Surebonder and everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them and I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.